Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove distractions using Camera Raw Filter AI in Photoshop. And also, we will dive deeper into duplicating of layers using Camera Raw Filter and using its remove tool. So let's get started! So here in our document, I get here an image where you will notice here that there are distraction on it. From the background, well, you can see there are crowded people from behind, and our goal here is to remove that. So the first step we're going to do here is we're going to create a duplicate layer of our background layer. So going on to the layers panel, click on the background layer to make it active, then press Ctrl+J to create a duplicate layer. There you go. Now, the next step we're going to do here is we're going to convert this layer into a smart object. So to do that, just right click on that new layer, then select on convert to smart object. There you go. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Well, moving back, now the next step we're going to do here is we're going to use the Camera Raw filter. But make sure that you're selected on that smart object layer, then go to the menu bar, go to filter, then find on Camera Raw filter. By the way, for the shortcut key, you can just press Shift Ctrl+A to open it. Once I click that, this Camera Raw window will appear. As you know, that Camera Raw filter is used for correcting exposure, contrast, and white balance to improve the overlook of the image. Well, that is from the previous version. But in this latest version, we have the remove tool in the Camera Raw filter. So to locate that, going on to the Camera Raw filter window, on the right side of its window, you're going to see here different tools. And then click on this. This is the remove icon. All right. For the shortcut key, you can just press B for that. Then once I click that, there are different tools that you may use for removing distractions. Well, I'm going to make use of this eraser icon. Click that. Then you can use generative AI for making selection, or if there are objects like things, you can take on the tag object. All right. So for now, I'm going to untick this one because as you have noticed here that the distractions from behind are a bit blurry. Now, let's start creating selections to it by just creating a mark by just clicking and dragging from the area that you want to remove, something like this. All right, there you go. If you want to increase the brush size, you can just press close bracket key to increase the size of the brush. There you are. All right. Okay, let's also remove this pink blanket over here. All right. By the way, you can also, if you want to subtract the selection, you can just go to the right side of this window, then click on subtract to remove some markings. But if you want to add more markings, just click on add and keep on adding. All right. There you are. Okay, so once we already have this marking, now let's click on remove. Once I click that, AI Photoshop will automatically remove those distractions. And there you have it. So if there's still distractions that you still want to remove too, we just keep on doing the same thing. All right, just keep creating markings just like this one and also this one. That seems distractions to me. Then, just what we did, click on remove. Let AI process it. And there you go. Now the distractions are already removed. Now, once you're good with it, don't forget to click on OK here at the right bottom of the window of the Camera Raw filter window. Click OK. Now we're good with it. Now, let me show you the before and after. This one is the before, and this one is the after. And that is how to remove distractions using Camera Raw Filter AI in Photoshop.